back of 386. Start. As I said, I think it is more secure for those customs collectors to have legal sanctity behind their actions. So before taking any steps, they themselves will be conscious of the legal consequences of the whole thing. Now, if they take certain bonds in an irresponsible manner, the responsibility is not only of the importer or the exporter, the responsibility in legal terms is of the customs collector also. Therefore, sir, the apprehension that has been expressed by the honorable member sitting opposite is not quite correct. I can still assure the House on the point that so far as the customs collectors are concerned, there is a code of conduct, and in exercising their discretion they are guided by the instructions given to them from time to time by their higher authorities at the center. They have got a code of conduct under which they have this freedom of discretion, and they are always conscious of the responsibility that they owe to their superior officers at the center. They are guided through directions given by the center from time to time, and I can assure the House that so far as the instructions are concerned, they have been complied with, and we have not had cases so far brought to our notice where the customs collectors have misused their discretion. Not many cases have come to us by which we can feel that there is any danger that the customs officers will exercise their discretion properly. So far as the generality of the proposed section is concerned, it has been pointed out that this section is very general and it can cover all aspects of a case. I think it was the very purpose of this bill to make this measure a general measure to cover all the emergencies that can arise in a particular case. Exercise of the discretion and judgment depends on the nature of a particular case, the particular background of the case, and therefore, sir, it could not have been codified in a certain number of words or a certain number of sentences that these things will come under the discretion of the customs collector and these things won't come under his discretion. Lakhs and lakhs varieties of things are being imported and exported, and it is very difficult to bring each and every emergency that will arise in a codified law. Therefore, sir, the whole wording of the proposed section has been drafted in a general way to cover all possible cases that have been arising and that will arise later. As I said, careful discretion has been exercised by the customs authorities. Stop.